Yeah, man, we got another one. Had to definitely come take a look at this thing, man. Twin turbo, Lucky 13. Look at the tires, bro. You should already know. Harnesses, bucket seats. It's time for some speed. Yikes. Think you can get them? I don't. Yeah, man, let's go around the other side. What is this, a Charger? What is it? No, Camaro. 67 Camaro, twin turbo. This guy's insane. I have to meet you, my friend. Yo. Jeez. I just had to come out here and show you this thing. It's a monster. I do believe he's racing today, so you want a piece, come on down. It's T with the Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.